hit right in the feels, but there's a big problem. How do you get them on your phone? Look, some people wanna upload them on YouTube, blow up their channel and go viral. Some dream of making Instagram reels and becoming a star. And some just wanna impress their girlfriend by saving them offline. But the million-dollar question is how? Last night I was deep in thought, then there's gotta be a way. Then I remembered my big brother, Google Baba. I grabbed my phone, typed in the search bar how to download Suno AI Son. No, I'm not telling you yet. Google Baba, I started thinking for a while. I scrolled, and then I saw a name like Destiny just handed me a treasure chest. But should I tell you straight away? No, let's have some fun first. I opened my favorite Suno AI song, the one I was dreaming to upload on YouTube and get famous with. Copied the link, bam. Then I reached that website, pasted the link and smashed that button. And my friend, in just 2 minutes, the song was on my phone. Now whether I upload it on YouTube, make reels, show it to my neighbors, or just flex on my friends, everything is possible. This hack is like my favorite cutting chai. Fast, simple, and free. Just go to Google, type Suno Song Downloader XYZ and find a page that looks something like Suno Song Downloader XYZ's. If Sunny Leo songs pop up by mistake, retype it. Stay focused. So, my dear brothers and sisters, if you want to keep Suno AI songs with you, whether for YouTube reels or just for your heart, open Google, do some magic, and I'm already singing, ooh, offline. Now it's your turn to try.